All right, so this morning we are baking for our Christmas party. This is Miss Kidd's homeroom. Shout out to Miss Kidd, 8th grade math teacher. Yes. So what we're doing right now, we are baking fudge brownies. And the recipe on the back of the box calls for 3 tablespoons of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Our wonderful bakers, what's your name? Alexis and Carmen, they've already put in the mix and the eggs, but we're confused on the oil. What measurements do we have on the cups, Carmen?
1/3 and 1/4.
1/3 and 1/4. But the recipe calls for 1/2. Can anybody tell us which one of those cups we can use?
1/4.
Say that again.
1/4.
And what's your name?
Mariah.
All right. So how many 1/4 scoops of oil will it take to equal 1/2?
No. I have cup.
We only need a 1/2 cup, but we gonna use 1/4 like Mariah said. How many it take? 2. Very good. And what's your name? Who said 2? Jamaria here. All right. Shout out to these Terrell County 8th grade math students. That's how we do it.
Yeah.
Just pour it on in there. All right, we're back again live for the Christmas party with Miss Kidd's 8th grade math class, and this time we have, tell me your name,
Jabril
and
Mariah McIntosh.
and they are making donuts from a strawberry cake mix. All right, so these instructions tell us that we needed 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and which one did we use, ladies?
1/4.
The 1/4. How many fourths did it take for us to make a half?
2.
All right, next. The next problem that we need is that we need 1 cup of water, but the only other measuring size we have is what, Jabril?
1/3.
1/3. So here's the problem. What will you all have to do in order to get 1 whole cup of water? We have a 1/3 cup. How many scoops will it take for it to be 1 whole cup of water? Hey, we need y'all brains too. And here we have the ones being the clowns for today, but that's all right because it's Christmas party. But we need y'all help for real. We got a 1/3 cup, but the recipe calls for 1 whole cup of water.
2.5.
How many scoops is it gonna take to make 1 whole?
2.5.
2.5.
I haven't heard the correct answer yet.
One. Two.
So if we do
4.
What's that again?
4. No.
let's think. So if we do 1 scoop, that's gonna be how much water is that?
That's 1/2 of
1/3 of a cup, right? If I do a second scoop, how many? That'll be 2/3. So
One.
how many scoops?
3.
Oh,
So why does it take 3 scoops?
because it's every time you do another cup, it adds
Don't touch that.
what's it called?
Another third.
Yeah, another
right.
third.
3/3 equals 1
One.
whole. Y'all so awesome. Let's get
So
it.
me and Jabril, we're mixing the mix.